In the hushed corridors of military innovation, where whispers of technological prowess meet the clamor of geopolitical tension, a revelation has emerged that has sent shockwaves across the Middle East. Iran, a nation with a storied history of military innovation, has unfurled the cloak of secrecy surrounding its latest endeavor, the deployment of AI-powered drones. But this is no ordinary stride. It's a quantum leap that's not only raised eyebrows, but has left Israel and the world grappling with a new paradigm of warfare. As the world grapples with the implications of artificial intelligence in military applications, Iran's announcement stands as a stark reminder that we are hurtling towards an era where the fusion of AI and military might is no longer confined to the realm of speculation. The unveiling of these AI drones is not just a revelation. It's a revelation with reverberations that echo through the geopolitical fault lines of the Middle East. This article embarks on a journey into the heart of Iran's AI drone program, peeling back the layers of secrecy to reveal the intricacies of a technology that has the potential to reshape the balance of power in the region. From the seamless integration of AI into existing drone technology to the palpable concerns emanating from Israel, join us as we unravel the captivating narrative of Iran's foray into the future of warfare. The implications are profound, the stakes are high, and the world is watching as AI takes flight in the volatile skies of the Middle East. In a groundbreaking shift, Iran has transformed its drone fleet into autonomous weapon systems, ushering in a new era of unparalleled capabilities. These unmanned aerial vehicles now operate with a level of autonomy that sets them apart, carrying out tasks without direct human involvement. This not only makes them unpredictable, but also poses a significant challenge for those attempting to counter their advances. What propels these AI-infused Iranian drones into a league of its own are their advanced algorithms at their core. They possess the remarkable ability to make independent decisions, relying on real-time data and predefined mission objectives. This autonomy empowers them to adapt swiftly to changing circumstances, executing split-second decisions without human guidance. At the heart of these drones' capabilities is their capacity for precise target recognition and identification. Equipped with AI, they minimize the risk of collateral damage and civilian casualties. Operating in coordinated swarms, these drones outmaneuver enemy defenses, achieving mission objectives with unparalleled efficiency. Their stealth design allows them to operate covertly, eluding radar detection, while their AI systems enable rapid responses to emerging threats. What sets Iran's AI drones apart is their extended operational range, enabling them to penetrate deep into enemy territory and strike targets from considerable distances. This revelation has sent shockwaves through Israel's defense establishment, long regarded as a pioneer in drone technology. Israel, a nation heavily reliant on UAVs for intelligence and targeted strikes, now faces a challenge to its regional dominance and security. Within Israel, a primary concern arises from the potential use of these AI drones by Iran or its proxies in asymmetric warfare. The autonomous nature of these drones adds complexity, making interception and defense more challenging for Israel. As the ripples from Iran's AI drone program revelation continue to spread, Israel grapples with the strategic implications, navigating the evolving dynamics of modern warfare in the Middle East. Iran's AI drones, armed with advanced target recognition capabilities, are casting a formidable shadow over Israeli military assets and infrastructure, prompting a strategic reassessment in defense tactics. The unique prowess of these drones operating in swarms adds complexity, challenging Israel's traditional defense mechanisms. The swarm dynamics have the potential to overwhelm air defenses, posing a significant challenge for anti-drone systems that struggle to cope with multiple threats simultaneously. Adding to the anxiety within Israel is the stealth invasion capability of Iran's AI drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles can execute covert operations deep within Israeli territory, either collecting intelligence or launching surprise attacks. Faced with this advanced threat, Israel is compelled to reevaluate its defense strategies and invest significantly in countering this evolving danger. While Israel boasts a robust defense infrastructure, the fluid nature of AI warfare demands constant adaptation and innovation. Consequently, Israel is expediting the development and deployment of anti-drone systems tailored to detect, track, and neutralize AI-powered drones. These systems leverage a spectrum of technologies, including radar jamming devices and directed energy weapons. Acknowledging the critical role of cybersecurity, Israel is also fortifying measures to shield vital infrastructure from potential cyber threats. The integration of cutting-edge technologies becomes paramount in addressing the multifaceted challenges presented by Iran's AI drones. As Israel navigates this uncharted frontier of warfare, the nation remains unwavering in its commitment to maintaining technological superiority, ensuring the security of its defense, and safeguarding its national interests. The escalating threat of AI drone attacks emphasizes the critical need for integrating AI into defense networks and data protection, playing a pivotal role in safeguarding national security. Israel, fully aware of this reality, strategically invests in the development of advanced defensive drones equipped to intercept and neutralize hostile AI drones. This proactive approach aims to mitigate the threat posed by Iran's AI drone program, showcasing Israel's commitment to leading the technological arms race. Central to this defense strategy is the enhancement of Israel's intelligence gathering capabilities. The monitoring and tracking of Iran's AI drone activities demand timely and accurate intelligence for preemptive action and defense. By refining these capabilities, Israel aims to bolster its readiness against potential threats, ensuring a swift and effective response. Additionally, Israel actively forges international partnerships with like-minded nations to collectively address the challenges posed by AI in warfare. Cooperation in research, development, and intelligence sharing is deemed essential in countering emerging threats. This collaborative approach reflects a shared commitment to remaining at the forefront of technological advancements and fortifying global defenses against evolving risks. Beyond immediate military implications, Iran's development of AI drones carries far-reaching geopolitical consequences. It adds an additional layer of complexity to an already tense situation in the Middle East, exacerbating regional rivalries. The deployment of AI-powered drones by Iran underscores the broader trend of AI's growing influence in military technology. As nations navigate this intricate landscape, the need for international collaboration becomes paramount to foster stability, address shared challenges, and mitigate the geopolitical tensions amplified by the integration of AI into warfare. As nations worldwide continue to invest heavily in AI-driven military systems, the global landscape of warfare is undergoing a profound transformation. The integration of artificial intelligence into drones, in particular, marks a new era characterized by heightened autonomy and adaptability. This development presents both opportunities and challenges. AI-equipped drones have proven effective in various military operations, ranging from intelligence gathering and surveillance to precision-targeted strikes. These unmanned aerial vehicles possess the potential to enhance precision while reducing risks to military personnel, making them attractive assets for modern armed forces. However, the utilization of AI in drones also introduces ethical and strategic dilemmas. Concerns about autonomous weapons and the potential for unintended consequences in complex and dynamic environments becomes prominent. Iran's rapid progress in AI drone technology serves as a compelling case study, showcasing the evolving dynamics in modern warfare. Leveraging indigenous technological capabilities and scientific expertise, Iran has developed AI algorithms empowering its drones with unprecedented autonomy and sophistication. This development underscores the critical importance in technological innovation in today's military landscape. Even smaller, resource-constrained nations can pose significant challenges to regional and global powers through advancements in AI. The unveiling of Iran's AI drones has not only captured attention for their technological prowess, but also raised strategic implications. Israel, in particular, views these developments with concern, given its long-standing regional rivalry with Iran. Israel, heavily reliant on drones for security and military operation, recognizes the potential threat posed by Iran's AI-powered drones. A primary concern is the unpredictability and adaptability of these AI drones. Their ability to make autonomous decisions based on real-time data makes them challenging to anticipate and counter effectively. This adaptability extends across various mission profiles, from surveillance and reconnaissance to offensive operations, raising concerns about their potential use in asymmetric warfare scenarios. The advanced target recognition capabilities of Iran's AI drones compound the challenge for Israel. The ability to identify and engage specific targets with high precision reduces the risk of collateral damage, but also increases the efficacy of potential strikes against military assets, critical infrastructure, or high-value individuals. The unveiling of Iran's AI-powered drones has sent shockwaves through the Middle East, particularly in Israel. Equipped with advanced AI algorithms, autonomous decision-making capabilities, and the ability to operate in swarms, these drones pose a significant challenge to Israel's security and regional dominance. In response, Israel is actively developing anti-drone systems, enhancing cybersecurity measures, and pursuing international partnerships to address this emerging threat. Thank you for sticking with me throughout this exploration. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and ensure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any future videos.